How to use Mulethi for reducing dark spots and pigmentation. Using Mulethi licorice root for reducing dark spots and pigmentation can be done in various ways. It's essential to keep in mind that individual skin sensitivities may vary, so it's a good idea to do a patch test before using it on a larger area. Here are some common methods of using Mulethi for skin concerns. 1. Mulethi powder face mask. Take a small amount of Mulethi powder, licorice root powder. Mix it with a few drops of rose water or plain water to form a paste. Apply the paste evenly to your cleansed face or on specific dark spots. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry gently. 2. Mulethi and honey treatment. Mix Mulethi powder with raw honey to form a paste. Apply the mixture to your face or specific dark spots. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry gently. 3. Mulethi water toner. Boil a few pieces of Mulethi root in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Allow the water to cool down and strain it. Use the Mulethi infused water as a toner by applying it to your face with a cotton pad after cleansing. Remember that consistency is key when using natural remedies like Mulethi for dark spots and pigmentation. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.